Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password on your Coin98 wallet. In order to change your password for Coin98, go ahead and open up your Coin98 extension on your web browser, or you can also log into your Coin98 mobile application. Once you're inside the home page of your wallet, click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Now, click on Change Password from the Settings menu. Enter your current password for your wallet in the text box appearing at the bottom. Now click on Confirm, and in the next page, you will need to click on one of these options. Choose whether you'd like to change your password to a text password or a matrix password. Text password is the most recommended one, so I'm gonna pick the text password option and click OK. On the next page, enter your new password you are trying to change to for your wallet. Make sure that your password is 8 characters long and it includes 1 character, 1 digit, and 1 symbol. After creating a password that meets the criteria, go to the next field and re-enter the same password once again. Once you match both of these passwords, click on Set Up Password. And you have successfully changed your password for your Coin98 wallet. And that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.